A developer who coded for 15 years but never touched these tools is worth less than someone who spent 3 months learning to build with AI. AI coding is the highest paying freelance skill right now. Rates from $75 to over $300 an hour. And OpenAI's Codex is one of the tools driving it. This one takes real effort to learn though, but if you're willing, it pays like almost nothing else. Let me show you how. Let's go. Codex is an OpenAI's AI coding agent. It's not autocomplete, it's an agent. You give it a real task in plain English, like fix this broken checkout or add a login system, and it reads the whole code base. It writes the code across files, it tests it in a safe sandbox, and hands you the finished result. You can even fire off several tasks at once and let them run while you do something else. It runs inside ChatGPT, in your code editor, and in the terminal. And here's the honest part. It is powerful, but it's not push button. You have to learn to drive it. And that learning is exactly what makes it valuable. Now here's why this is worth learning. Simple supply and demand. Every business wants AI built into what they do now. Almost none of them have anyone who can do it. Searches for AI developers jumped over 800% in a year. The number of people who can actually deliver grew way slower. And that gap is where the money lives. And here's the part that matters for you. You're not competing on 15 years of experience. You're competing on results. As I've told you, a developer who coded for 15, 20 years has nothing on someone that trained to do this for the last 3 or 4 months. That's great news for beginners. So let's see the first way to make money with this. So the first way, the core one, you can build small software for businesses. Every business has an annoying manual process. Either it's a booking system or a dashboard or a tool that pulls their data into one place. They'd pay thousands for it and wait weeks. With Codex doing the heavy lifting, you deliver faster. You describe the task, it builds, you test and refine, you hand over something that works. The money's real here. Custom automation projects run $1,000 to $10,000 each. If you go on Fiverr, you can see that there are these plans, basic, standard, and premium ones. And plus a monthly fee to maintain and update it. That maintenance is where it becomes steady, not a one-off. Now, the honest part about this one is that this is not zero skill. As I've told you, you need to understand enough to guide Codex. You have to spot when it's wrong, you have to fix the output, but the bar is far lower than becoming a traditional developer. A few months of real, consistent practice, and you can deliver things that used to take years of training. That's the trait. Effort now, real income later. Now the first honest catch. Don't oversell what it can do. Codex is excellent at clear, contained tasks. Fixing a bug, adding a defined feature, building a straightforward tool, but push it into big, messy, complex work, and it will stumble, just like I did now. And reviewers agree, complex refactors often fall flat, and here's a specific one. Once you give it a task, you can't really steer it midway. It runs, then comes back. If your instructions were vague, you got something off, and you've burned time and money for nothing. So the rule is break the work into small, crystal clear tasks. Never promise a client one giant magic build. Promise clear, defined pieces delivered well. That's what Codex actually does reliably. Match your promises to that and you keep clients happy instead of just chasing refunds. The second way, and it plays to a real strength, automation and code checking for businesses. 2 things Codex does genuinely well. 1, it can build automations, scripts, and small systems that handle repetitive work for a business, and it's strong at code review, checking existing code for bugs and problems. So you sell both. A business drowning in a manual task, well, you build them an automation that does this on its own. A small dev team with no time to review their own code, you offer an ongoing review service powered by Codex that catches problems before they ship. The review angle is smart because it's recurring. Businesses need it every week, not once. That's a retainer, not a one-time gig. And these aren't small numbers. AI automation freelancers command real rates because the work saves companies real money. You're not charging for your hours. You're charging for the problem you solved. All right, the second catch, and it's about your own bill. Watch the credits. Codex doesn't just charge per task anymore. It runs on credits that burn based on how much work you throw at it. A complex job touching many files can burn around 9 times more than a simple edit, and your usage refills on a rolling window, so a heavy 2-hour session can drain it fast. OpenAI's own estimate, well, around $100 to $200 a month per developer using it seriously. So do the math before you quote a client. Know roughly what a job costs you in credits, including the retries when Codex gets it wrong the first time, and it will happen. And then, of course, price well above that. If you charge like the tool is free, your profit vanishes into your own AI bill. Now, the part people always ask, where do the clients actually come from? Well, honestly, start on Upwork. This is the honest truth about it. AI development searches there jumped over 800%, and the average AI coding freelancer pulls in real monthly income, far more than a traditional developer. The demand is sitting right there. And here's how you win, even brand new. You don't compete on experience, you compete on demos. You can build 2 or 3 small working tools on your own, a simple automation or a little dashboard, and just show them. A working demo beats a fancy resume every time in this space. And then just write specific proposals. Not like I do AI coding. Just go with, I'll build you an agent that qualifies your leads automatically. Those specific offers get hired. And beyond Upwork, well, just go where small businesses gather. Local area, local business groups, niche forums. Anyone complaining about a slow manual process is a potential client. Your local bakery. You don't wait for the jobs. You spot the pain and you offer the fix. Just provide some value up front first. It's gonna work. But of course, this one's not easy money, and I won't pretend it is. Learning to drive Codex, well, takes real time, real practice, and real patience. You'll fail some tasks. You'll burn some credits figuring it out. That's the cost of the entry. But here's the payoff. Almost everyone wants easy, so almost everyone skips the things that take real effort, and that's exactly why this pays so well, and that's exactly why you will stand out. The demand is enormous, and the people who actually put in the work are few. So if you're willing to learn one tool properly, stay consistent for a few months, and build real skill, well, this is one of the highest paying doors open right now. Effort in, real income out. And that trade is very much worth it. So that's the real path. Learn Codex properly, build small, clear tools, sell automation and reviews, find clients with demos, not resumes. It's work. It pays off. Start learning today. Build one small thing this week, and that's how this starts. If this interests you, that's it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you on the next one.